off of this, man. Come off of this, man. What do you mean by? They come over, come talk about who him not take care of Pitney and him not this and him not that. If whosoever live in Jamaica wanna see Mackerel, wanna know. Anyone wanna see Mackerel, wanna see me. Anyone wanna see her, wanna see me. Anyone wanna see her, wanna see me. If you're not willing to talk it through. Anyone wanna see her, wanna see me. Which part, what do you mean by? What do you mean by me not take care of me? Me did it with the right through. When I lose my daughter, remember she did pregnant with my daughter, you know. That was my first child, and when she lose my daughter, I could have left her. I could have take up myself and cut left her, because I remember it's my first child and she lose my first child. You understand? I'm a cut left her. You see, now the same, I show you something. You see when my daughter, you see when she lose my daughter, in a whatever the year when she lose my daughter, I lose my grandmother August. Me, Tyrone, lose my grandmother, my backbone, August. And she come and she lose the baby October. And I me alone have to shoulder my pain them. And me no cry. Me no cry up to this day. Me never shed a tear for my daughter when me lose. Because why? Me are the man in the house and me and her alone live together. And if me cry, she get up and she cry every day about the baby where she lose. And if me cry, it what we can do in our house, it now go see if it what we do in our house and it what we are crying. Me have to stay strong for her. Me did have to stay strong for her. Me never blame her and say, oh, you lose my baby and re. Me stand up as a man beside her and me make sure so me take care of her, me care of her, doctor, me care of her, date them. Me do everything what me supposed to do as a man in the relationship. Then time me I work, a king alarm and me have my money and everybody good. You understand what me I say? You see when me lose my work, because me get mentally, if you know say me lose my grandmother, me lose my baby, and a security work me do me out in the public and me I deal with people on an everyday basis and me have my issues, me have anger build up in me could deal with the people and me I push out the anger upon the people and me I work with, so me lose my work at King Alarm. You understand what me I say? Me lose my work at King Alarm and me dead with her, said we me get up and me go look other work at places and me and her batter through. You see Francis start do the TikTok. And she find out say, oh, she can make one 2,000 or 2,500 in a week. Everything change. Everything change. From she start to the TikTok and she can make 125 and 13 grand a week. Every she start deal with me some way. Oh, me have to make it. Oh, I me alone have to do this. Oh, I me have to pay this. Oh, me have to pay, me have to take. And imagine if you remember good, if you remember the good, in the year, me left and I come to Barbados to start work. Every day the woman call me, Tyrone, you have to come back cause Ray, me can't deal with the baby alone and Ray. And I say, alright laddie, me I come back done because me not for work. Me not for have anything. See, it's just because as she have the money in the relationship. Just because as she have the money in the relationship. Me wrong. Let me tell you, anybody want to say me wrong, kudos to Uno. But me I put my happiness first. Uno not living at the house. Uno not living at the house with she. Uno don't know when I go through at the time. Why I don't feel like we have two different rooms? Which couple, which parenting couple Uno still live in a one house and sleep in a two different rooms? Uno tell me now, which couple Uno say live in a two different room? I don't see that the woman the front look. I don't know how under that the woman the front. She can't cook. She doesn't clean. I do everything for her. Me do everything for her. Everything for her. Me do it. Me wash her clothes them. Only thing she do in her house is take care of her baby. Only thing she do the baby. The house that she live in, I'ma find it. The Wi-Fi where she used to go live, me go look about it. Everything for she, and me do it. Me make sure so that girl is good. Me tell her, I look on her, I say, my girl, look at your friend them where you have them are not friend. You no go Canada, you go England, you go yes, you go where you have for sure. Take your card from your friend them have your bank card, take your card from your friend them, keep your bank card in your position, your thing that. Sort out your thing them, put on your money and get assets. Get assets, laddie, save your money and get assets them. So you see if you hit back rock them 5 years from now, you have your assets them, you can let them go back and still have something to stand up on your foot. And some show them that the girl them the thing that you try to make sure say everything good with that the girl. She not do anything for me more than financially. And just the fact she has spent in the relationship, she feel like she can deal with me anyway, say anything to me. And my mother, my mother, when I time me have to ask my mother, say, mother, mommy, I have for your pitney, or a laddie, or your pitney. Me have to ask my mother if a laddie are your pitney or if a me are your pitney, because when my mother they overseas and laddie call her, my mother call me and bring me down to the ground because she never understand. Since here my mother come to Jamaica in a March. In a March, when you see me traveling in Miami and my mother travel come up. My mother come to Jamaica in a March and my mother there in Jamaica for 3 weeks in the same house where we there. And so come my mother really get to see and understand who she is and how she operates. You don't understand. You understand. The woman don't love me. The woman just knows say I'm beneficial to her life because everything she want to get done, Tyrone do it. Laurie, come off of my live. Come off of my live, Laurie. Stay over your friend. Laurie. Stay over your friend. Come off of my live. Everything she want to get done, I me do it. I go out of my way and I do this and I do that. But just the fact say, she can come on TikTok and she can make her money. She sit down in front of her live and she say taps and roses, guys, and she make her money. She don't need Tyrone anymore. So she deal with Tyrone anywhere she feel like she deal with Tyrone. And she says some things when you ray. So me stay so bam, so when she up on her box, me can't tell her what to do on her live, you know. Me can't tell her what to do on her live. Me can't tell her what to do on her life. So why you feel like say you will tell me what to do on my life? I mean, as an adult. Why? I'm a baby mother. I'm going to go over there a while ago to tell her I can screenshot it and show her the lady block me. And I'm going to tell me, say me for call her. Why me for call you over Instagram? Why am I for call up on TikTok when I have your number on WhatsApp? I travel, I come, I change my number, and I text you. It's not like I not text you. I never did have to text you on my number, but I text you and I say, listen now, this is the XYZ number. Where boy, they make me see him. I'm busy right now. I say, alright then. Call her back later. Where boy, they make me see him. We not going to call Ray. Perfect is our problem. The problem is perfect. Brother, I'm telling you this, man. You can't want to want people. She hurt. She's supposed to hurt. I'm telling you something. People don't know the use of people until them gone about them business. People don't know the use of people until them gone about them business. You deal with me anyway, you say anything to me, you go to you tell the lady, the baby, godmother and godfather, oh, we know they were co-parenting. You come on the live and you tell the people, oh, me not supposed to feel no way.